Pretty. This is mommy. We want to make our own bracelet.
I want to make my own bracelet. Let's get started, friend. No, I'm just gonna do it. Okay.
No, mommy help. There you go, be careful.
Oh, wow! Super cool. What's that?
That's next door, babe.
I thought there was something boom boom.
There you go. Oh, bless you.
Thanks, Mom. Ooh, look at this pink. Ooh.
Can I have?
Sorry, Mom.
There you go.
Thanks. Oh, this.
I think we need scissors first.
We need. Okay.
No, leave it like that.
I will get these out and then we will need something, okay? Mommy, look at this.
Sini. So we make. I'll get scissors, eh?
No, I'll get them.
Alright. Mau bikin gelang. Dan ini. Come on, Bab.
Oh, coming. Here you go.
Don't run. Alright, you sit there.
Okay.
Oh,
Mommy, I will make one for you too.
okay. What's this?
Shell.
Shell. I think this is cone. Is it?
Oh yeah. No, I'm
Cone.
going to do it. I'm going to do it.
Hang on.
I'll get these out.
No, don't. Oh.
Mommy, look at their hair. Mommy, look at their hair.
Is that cone or what?
Corn.
I think it's cone.
Yeah, because they are so beautiful. Mommy, look at their hair. Mommy, look at their hair. It's always corn.
There you go. Now you can put it
Hang on, I'm gonna get all.
like this.
No, I'm gonna get all the ingredients out so I can see something.
There you go.
Hey, that was mine. You do your own. That was mine. That was mine. Oh, look at it! I got
What color did?
blue.
Blue.
Hey, it's like the same color. Mama, look, it's like the same color of my tray. This is blue, that's blue, and this blue, and this blue. And this.
Okay, mommy want to make pink.
No, I'm doing pink because
Alright.
my pink is my favorite color. You only do these.
Alright, all this.
And I will need these two because you are
Okay,
showing.
you wanna start now? Look,
Yeah.
mommy start now.
Here we go. Oh, sorry. Can you take it? What your beautiful hair? Pinking. Hi, friend. This is Mommy and Chloe. Dada.
This is our bracelet.
Dada, I will have a beautiful bracelet. Thank you guys for watching our bracelet video. Bye. I hope you can make like our ones. So make sure you can buy one like me and Sky. Bye. See you tomorrow. And then don't forget to click your channel, subscribe, and put your big thumbs up and subscribe your channel.
Mwah.
Mwah.